In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively name and use tags in Activecampaign. By the end of this tutorial, you'll understand not only how to create tags, but also how to use them strategically to organize your audience and strengthen your marketing automation. Tags play a huge role in controlling your communication flow, so learning how to use them properly will make a noticeable difference in your campaigns. Let's get started. First, head to the Activecampaign website. This is the platform you'll use to manage your contacts, automation, and customer journeys. Once you're on the homepage, look toward the top right corner of the screen and click on the Login button. You'll be asked to enter your account name, which gives you access to your workspace. Type in the details and click Login to continue. After signing in, you'll land on your dashboard. This is where you'll see all your main navigation options. Focus on the left-hand menu and click on Contacts. This section is the central area where you'll manage the people in your audience, and it's also where your tags will be created and organized. Once the Contacts page loads, move your attention to the Tags option on the left panel and click it. This opens the dedicated area where all existing tags are displayed. If you've never created tags before, this page may be empty, but that's perfectly fine. We're about to change that. To create a new tag, click the Add Tag button. A small window will appear where you'll type the name of your new tag. This is the most important part of the process. Think strategically about the name you choose. Good tag names are clear, descriptive, and easy to understand at a glance. For example, you might create tags like Newsletter Subscriber, Purchase Product A, or Needs Follow-up. The goal is to pick names that immediately explain the purpose of the tag without guessing. Tags should help you quickly segment your audience. When your list grows, descriptive tags make it easier to send messages to the right people at the right time. A well-named tag also helps you stay organized when building automations later on, because you'll instantly recognize what each tag represents. Once you've entered your tag name, click Save. Your new tag is now officially added to your Activecampaign account and ready to use. You can apply it to contacts manually, through automations, or automatically when someone performs an action like joining a list, filling out a form, or completing a purchase. The more consistent you are with your tagging system, the more powerful your segmentation becomes. And that's it. You've learned how to name and create tags in Activecampaign, and you now have the foundation to build more effective, targeted marketing strategies. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you feel confident using tags to organize your contacts and streamline your automation. Happy tagging, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.